Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel A Happier Me. Today we are diving into some super easy ways to look effortlessly put together. Whether you're heading to work, a casual outing, or just want to up your daily style, I have got you covered in this video, so let's get started. First up, let's talk wardrobe essentials. Having a few key pieces in your closet can make a huge difference. Think classic versatile items like well-fitted blazer, a crisp white shirt, and a pair of dark jeans. These staples can be mixed and matched for any occasion. Invest in quality basics that fit well. They will elevate your look instantly and can be dressed up or down depending on the situation. Next is grooming. Regular haircut, a well-maintained hairstyle, and basic skincare can make a big difference. Keep your nails clean and trimmed, and don't forget about your eyebrows. A quick grooming session can elevate your appearance significantly. Even a simple routine like using a brow gel or a bit of tinted moisturizer can make you look more polished. Accessories are your best friend when it comes to looking put together. A statement necklace, a stylish watch, or a chic scarf can add a touch of elegance to your outfit. Just be sure not to overdo it, less is often more. Choose accessories that complement your outfit and your own style. They should enhance and not overpower. And fit is everything. Clothes that fit well make a huge difference. If you have items that are a bit off, consider getting them altered. A well-fitted blazer or pair of pants can make you look like you just stepped out of a magazine. And tailoring doesn't have to be expensive, and it can really transform your look. Lastly, confidence is key. Stand tall, walk with purpose, and smile. Good posture and a positive attitude can make any outfit look amazing. When you feel good about yourself, it shows, and that's what truly makes you look put together. So there you have it, easy ways to look effortlessly put together. Remember, it's all about those little details and feeling confident. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such tips. And I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.